Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the world's best paper airplane. Just watch. Okay, so you do this, like you do this. Forget about that. Let's just do this. God damn it. Okay, so you do that. Now you do this. You see how simple that is? Okay, now you move it back. Watch. Do this. Okay, you put your finger right there, and you do this. Hold it back. You line it up with the lines right here. This line with this line. And yeah. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a badass airplane. The world's best paper airplane. You guys will see. And do that. Okay. I'm going to take out my phone. Because it bothers me. And it hurts. Okay. Now we're done with that. Now, since you see it like that, you do this. Just take that and do that. Now you take your hand and do this. See? Now you fold it. Now you take your nail and go like that. You do this. Look, look. Easy, simple. Watch. You do that. Then you twist it. And then you fold it. And then you take this one, do the same. Okay, now, I'm going to get a little tricky for you guys. Not tricky, but just look. Then, you do this. Like this. Okay. Now you do this. The same thing. You fold it with your nail. Now, this is a little bit tricky for you guys. You do like this. You twist it like this. I mean, you fold it like this. But wait. Fold it. Wait, let me fix this. I don't want it to be horrible. I want it to be good. So, wait, you do that. No, that's horrible. Okay, you just do this. Wait. Fold it. It's pretty easy. I just learned it by heart. I had it in my heart. I do that. Now this is going to be a little tricky for you guys. Okay, so you do this. You see this part? Yeah? Well, you do this. Get your finger, do this. Take this side, take this side, take your finger and go like that. See? And now you take this, both of your fingers, and do this. And then you make it straight. Now you fold it. See? It's coming out pretty good. From the first time, I made a perfect airplane. So you do the same thing over here. You take this, but you take this finger, and then you do that. And then holy cow. Wait. You take this finger, these two fingers, hold it like that. And then bam, there you go. Now, step something. Yeah, whatever. Do that. Fold it back. See? Fold it back. Now, what you have to do is it 4 times. 4 on each. Fold it like this. Guess what scene? Alright. Okay. So now you guys do this. That was one. Now this is one for the other side. Alright, it's going to be twice for this one. And then it's going to be twice for this one too. We have to do it 4 times for each. That's going to be 3 times for the back. And 3 for this one. Now you do this, the last, wait. That's going to be the last one, 4. Now you do this one, 4. This one was 3, now it's 4. Wait, let's go. There we go. And now we do, it's really simple. Just do this. Just do that. And now, you do this. You hold your hands, put your hands like that, and then put your hands like that. And then you move this one like that, like you're supposed to rip it. I mean, move this one like that, like really slow, because it can break. It's really simple, but